Alright, back here, do another quick upgrade video on the Hawk 250. This one's kind of a safety upgrade. We'll be replacing tail light back here. Alright, so stock form, your tail light, step on the brakes, brake light, it works great. But if we can put a high output LED back here, it's going to increase our visibility when people are behind us. And they make LED bulbs that will actually flash and then stay lit. That way they really get people's attention. So if you have to stop quick in front of someone, they'll see it flash, that bright LED, and then stay lit, and they'll know what you're trying to do. This is a really easy upgrade. There's a couple screws back here on the lens. And this just comes right off. Now that I made this thing burning hot to the touch, just push it in and turn it, and it comes right out. So here's what our bulb base looks like. This is a P21, aka 1157 in the US market. So here's what I purchased on Amazon, and there'll be a link in the description. About $20 for two of them. Here's what they look like. Okay, so here's what we're dealing with. Here's what I look. You can see the bases are the same. Got kind of a projector in the back to really put the light out towards the rear. Simple enough. Let's go ahead and pop this in. Alright, I'll go the one correct way. Just try it real quick. This. Touch the brakes. It's the flash, as you can see. So I'm going to put the lens back on. Work it into place there. It's not a perfect fit. Not too tight. Snug it up. Don't want to crack anything. Alright. Step on the brakes. That is much, much brighter than before. That will definitely help to get people's attention. There you go, another quick, easy upgrade for your Hawk 250 or other Chinese motorcycle. That'll work really any motorcycle with a 1157 lens. Much, much brighter, much, much safer. Give me a like if it helped you out. Subscribe for more. Leave a comment below if you have any questions. We'll see you next time.